In this video, I'm going to show you how to view direct messages on Twitter, which is now called X, using the desktop website. This is a super simple process, but if you've ever opened X and couldn't find where your messages went, you're definitely not alone. The messaging area has changed a bit, so I'll walk you through it step by step in a clear and easy way. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick social media guides just like this. It really helps the channel grow and it lets you know when new tutorials are posted. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the X website. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to check messages for. If you're not logged in yet, enter your username, email, and password, then complete the sign-in process. Once you're on the X homepage, look at the left sidebar. This is where the main navigation options are located. On the desktop version, you should see an option labeled Chat. In some cases, depending on updates or layout changes, this may be the area where your direct messages are accessible. Click Chat in the left sidebar to open your message area. After you click it, your direct messages will appear in the left panel. This panel usually shows your recent conversations, message requests, and active chats. If you have a lot of messages, you may need to scroll a little to find the conversation you're looking for. The newest chats are usually near the top, so that's a good place to start. Now, to open a conversation, simply click on any chat thread in the list. That will bring up the full message window, where you can read the conversation from the beginning or pick up right where you left off. From here, you can review incoming messages, reply to someone, or continue an existing discussion. If you want to send a new message, use the chat window to type your reply and send it as usual. You can also switch between different conversations without losing your place, which makes it easy to manage multiple DMs at once. If you're not seeing your messages right away, double check that you're in the correct account and that you clicked the right chat or messages area in the sidebar. Sometimes browser zoom, screen size, or interface updates can change the layout slightly, but the message section should still be easy to find once you know where to look. And that's it. You now know how to view direct messages on Twitter or X from the desktop website. It only takes a few clicks once you know where the chat option is. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more and social media tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.